Hello everyone, today we will be discussing a popular home remedy for children's coughs, honey and lemon. This simple yet effective treatment has been used for centuries and holds some merit in providing relief to coughs. To begin with, honey is known for its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe a cough. It also has a high concentration of sugars, which can help replenish the body's energy levels after a bout of coughing. The sourness of lemon adds a natural acidity that can further aid in relieving congestion and easing the irritation associated with coughs. To make this home remedy, simply combine equal parts honey and lemon juice. The ratio of honey to lemon juice can be adjusted to taste. You can keep it consistent for a mild taste, or increase the honey proportion for a more robust effect. Consume the mixture daily, preferably in the morning, to see relief from your child's cough. Be aware that honey and lemon may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with allergies to honey or those with gastrointestinal issues like stomach ulcers or gastroesophageal reflux. It's essential to monitor the reaction and consult your pediatrician before using this remedy for children. In conclusion, honey and lemon are home remedies with proven antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe children's coughs. As with any treatment, it's crucial to consult your pediatrician before making any significant changes to a child's medication. Give this remedy a try if you're looking for a natural, safe, and effective way to help your child combat their cough.